and we are people who believe in fulfilling our commitments. There is a lot of noise in politics. There is a lot of noise in the state. Many people will say many negative things. But you must have noticed, I don't respond to them. The reason I don't respond to them is not because that I have no answer. I don't respond because I don't believe that responding by words is the way that we would like to act or respond. I believe that we will respond with the deeds that we do. We'll respond by the actions that we do. We'll respond by ensuring that we actually resolve the problem rather than just talking about the problems. Therefore, our commitment is continued, and I assure you that we will work together to take the education sector forward. May God bless each and every one of you who's present out here, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Mutela, and Jai Hind.